Ever felt lost in the overwhelming sea of traders? Bitget P2P introduces a new level of control. Let's guide you through how counterparty trading requirements can be your compass in choosing the right trading partners. First, launch the Bitget app. Go to Add Funds, select P2P Trading, then click the three-dot button at the top right to post ad. Next, select the Counterparty Trading Requirements option. Here, you can define the criteria for users who will be able to trade with you, ensuring your trades meet your exact needs. Following that, filter traders by their activity. Choose to engage with either seasoned traders by setting a minimum order completion or welcome newer users with fewer completed orders. Then, adjust the max orders per user to control how often a single user can respond to your ad. This helps in distributing trading opportunities among more users. Next, use the registration time to ensure you're trading with users who have a seasoned presence on Bitget.